What's the meaning of constriction? Constriction. Constriction.
Constriction. Constriction. Constriction refers to the action of tightening or narrowing, resulting in a decrease in size or diameter. This can occur in various contexts, such as the constriction of blood vessels leading to reduced blood flow, or the constriction of muscles leading to difficulty breathing. Constriction can also refer to a feeling of tightness or pressure in a particular area of the body. Overall, constriction can have negative effects on bodily function and may require medical intervention to alleviate symptoms and restore proper function.